Good morning, the day has just started and this is our home office for today. And we're gonna get in some breakfast with a protein bar, quick protein bar, as our first meeting is in like 2 minutes. And we just woke up, so I don't really feel like making breakfast. So I'm just getting in this bar real quick and let's get this day started. So I'm in the middle of a meeting and I ordered a package yesterday and the delivery guy is just downstairs. So I'm quickly going downstairs and get that package. Just got the package, so let me see what's inside. Well, obviously I know what's inside as I ordered it yesterday, but still. Okay, nice. It's a rope to do rope skipping. This is like a very professional rope. Yeah, actually, I will do the unpackaging later because I have to rejoin the meeting now. It's lunch break right now, and I'm looking in my fridge, and I don't really have that much to eat. So, as you can see, the fridge is pretty, yeah, it's pretty poor, I have to admit. But on the right side, there's some eggs, so I think I'm just gonna have some eggs together with some crisp bread, and yeah, just munch all that. Deep down inside my food stash, I also found these 4 adorable tiny avocados. Look how cool they are, you know? You don't find these anywhere. Well, I found them in the store, but still, you don't come across them that often. I'm just gonna use these 4 tiny avocados and make like an egg avocado type toast. Yeah, and that's the story of my life right there. Whenever I decide to make eggs sunny side up, it just decides it doesn't want to be sunny side up. It wants to be like sun and cloud, you know, like the egg yolk starts to break. I guess I don't make an Instagram picture on this one right now. And as you can see, it's really sunny outside. So I'm just gonna eat my lunch, which is this one here, right here, with a spoon, because I don't really have a fork or a knife. And yeah, it's just gonna taste the same, I guess, with the spoon. I mentioned in some earlier videos that I have an injury on my right shoulder for about, I think it's about 6 months now. So today, in a bit, I'm going to see a specialist on it. Make a scan, and based on the scan they're gonna tell me what's wrong exactly with my shoulder and what I can do to repair my shoulder so I can recover and actually start doing normal gym exercises again. I'll let you guys know what the specialist said afterwards, and in the meantime I'm just trying to do exercises in the gym that don't really impact my shoulder. So for cardio, I'm also doing some rope skipping with my new rope right here. I don't really know how to skip rope, but I guess I will learn. So we're gonna skip the rope skipping and we're gonna go on to the real training of the day, which is gonna be core and abs. See you guys there.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I just got back from the specialist and they had to perform a CT scan. When I entered the room, all of a sudden it was like they were preparing something, like 2 nurses were there, they were preparing like some sort of table. It looked like an operation table. And I was like, okay, that's not happened to me before yet. So I laid down and all of a sudden they happily mentioned they were gonna insert some contrast fluid so the scan would pick up more what's wrong with my shoulder. and they came with this big syringe. They inserted the fluid. Here's some footage of me. I was really pale, almost fainting. I don't like syringes at all, so I was kind of surprised they would do that to me. After the scan, the specialist told me I had some cyst between two bones on top of my shoulder, and he actually made a cool drawing. I think I might hang it up here. And on this drawing you can see on here, this is one bone and this is the other bone, and right in between are like tiny little pieces of cyst. There are like 3 solutions for this, he mentioned. One solution might be to avoid any exercise that places stress on my shoulder. Another might be to inject some cortisone, which might diminish the pain of the cyst. And the third option would be where I remove a piece of bone on each side of the bones, and with it the cysts. We're not gonna remove any bone, not yet at least. So what we decided is to book some sessions with the kine, 18 sessions, and he can help me get my shoulder back on track. So that's kind of a summary of what's going on with my shoulder, and I just basically have to rest, do the repair exercises with the kine, and eventually it will be better with my shoulder and I can start doing weightlifting again in the gym. So that's that, and I'll see you guys in the next meal of the day. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video even. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, also subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys at the next one.